how you can create templates in Capcut. Capcut is one of the most frequently used apps to edit videos, images, and also to create template. So let's get started with it. The first thing is we need to open Capcut, and then there are varieties of options. In this page you can see all the past videos that you've edited. The second option is template, where you can see templates made by other creators. And then the third one is inbox, whether you've got any notifications regarding your Capcut accounts and so on. The last option, where me is written, is your very account, where you can see what you've kept in your favorites, what type of contents you've liked, and so on. In order to create a template of your choice, the steps are very simple. You simply need to go on the very first option, which is edit, and then tap on the new project over here. And then from your gallery, you need to select a bunch of photos and videos which you want to collaborate and then make a template. And once you've done that, you need to go to the edit again and then see the varieties of options that are available there and then create your favorite kind of template. It's that easy to make a template on Capcut. I hope you've learned from this video how you can create a template. Please do like, share, and subscribe to this channel.